If you're using a Samsung phone, there is a hidden feature called Samsung Secure Folder that keeps your apps and files safe from others. It's like having a private space on your phone. I will show you how to access and set up the Samsung Secure Folder. Go to Settings and tap on Security and Privacy. Tap on Secure Folder. Tap on Continue and sign into your Samsung account or create one. Once you are in, you will see all the permissions Secure Folder needs. If you are okay with them, tap on Continue. Now choose how you want to lock your secure folder, whether it's a pattern, PIN, password, or even your fingerprints. A shortcut to secure folder will be added to your home screen. Tap on Secure Folder. Then tap on the plus icon to add the apps you want to keep safe and tap on Add. Your file manager and contacts will already be added to the secure folder. After adding the files and apps, tap on 3 dots and tap on Lock and Exit. Now only you can access this folder with a PIN or password you have created earlier. So that was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such helpful videos.